and gentlemen, it's your boy Adrian, aka Joseph One Knocker. And yeah, we are here live on Turkey Challenge. We have about six turkey each. So first to finish the turkey, stand a chance to win 20,000 naira cash. Whether spanner or guy, Alpha. Are you there? Can you do this?
Yeah, well, that is why I'm here.
Okay. All right, guys, please watch closely and please don't forget to comment and like this video and share. So, are you guys ready?
Yes. What's so good? It don't put in juju. It don't put juju. But they come out with juju.
All right, are you ready?
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Chicken.
Are you ready?
Fowl.
And please don't forget to buy your car from Ezogidi Motors.
Yes, sir.
Shop Love, please. And they're always doing giveaway on their live video. Please make sure you follow them and go and take and be a partaker of their giveaway they are doing on their page. You understand? So thank you so much and God bless you. Okay, game starts.
Ebuka.
Spana.
Ebuka.
Let's go. You can do it. Keep going.
Wait, shopper.
Keep going.
On a color skater.
Keep going.
Spana
is moving.
It's not easy.
He's going. Wind down. Spana is a little behind.
Oh yeah, the same. Let's
Ebuka,
go.
go down.
You can do this. Let's go there. Let's go. Break it. Let's go.
You have water there.
I trust you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wahala for this.
Let's go.
Two down. 3 to go.
You can do this.
Easy.
No choco.
Easy.
You can do this. Let's go.
Easy.
You can do this.
Swallow.
Let's go. You can do this.
Swallow. It's very easy.
Swallow.
I've done it before. It's very easy.
No bread.
You can do this. Hey.
This one no be swallow.
This is not fufu.
Let's go. 3 down. What are you saying?
One more.
Hey!
What are you saying?
Ebuka.
He's going.
He's going.
Oh yeah, the first one.
Take your time.
You guys are slow. I don't like it.
Yeah.
Let's see this one.
Okay, 2 to go.
Let's go.
Bring it down. 2 more to go. Ebuka go.
He's moving.
Let's go. Energy.
Yeah.
Spana one.
Spana, don't give up.
Don't give up. You can do it. Spana, you can do it.
Spana, you are there. Don't give up.
You can do it.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose hope.
You can do it.
Just swallow, don't chew. Just swallow direct, don't chew.
Why?
I know you will win.
Easy pleasure, Spana. You can win.
I know you will
Take him easy. Take him easy. Don't get choked. Take him easy. Don't get choked, okay? I got you.
Yes.
You're my spanner. You're my spanner.
This one no be swallow.
Why?
Hey.
You are a winner. I
He's
know
going.
you will.
Abalu.
Spana, you are losing. Spana, you are losing.
Spana, give
Spana, you are
us.
losing.
Let's go.
One to go. Go in.
Let's go.
You know, You don't know my family.
Family of Turkey.
Na chewing family. Chewing family.
You don't know my family when it comes to meat.
Chewing family.
Ask for my family in
Are you there?
My family na Chicken Republic.
The family that Chicken Republic. I swear.
We are almost there. Well, this, I told you,
20,000 for you.
Yes, so
20K for you. 20K. Everybody like me.
Energy.
Like me.
What does what talking about?
Yes.
Just watch.
Okay. Okay.
We are behind you.
Hold on.
We are behind you.
This is negotiable.
Beast. Meat feast.
Spana, I shock you. Spana.
Una for don't do this meet with Ebuka.
Hey.
Ew.
For don't do am.
Ew.
This one I wasted money.
Yeah.
No, this is not a challenge at all.
I swear.
This is not a challenge at
The
all.
gap is too much. The gap is too much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's about to get the last
We are
bite.
getting down to the
The
last.
last bite.
Yes, so
The last bite. You said only Sabi do fufu. Sorry. You said only you Sabi collect
finish
fufu.
everything.
Wow.
Ew.
Yes, so
Ew.
You said only you.
Spana no get teeth. Spana no get teeth.
You can't finish now.
Only swallow.
Watch out this one.
Yeah. That is double defeat.
All right.
Let it be.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Double defeat.
Ladies and gentlemen. This is defeat upon defeat.
yes.
It's what? Can you conversate what it is?
I am flabberwhelmed, discombobulated, flabbergasted, numbers, and flummoxed at the way this Homo sapien engulfed this chicken, annihilated it,
Challenge.
deglutionized it, imbibed it, and masticated it using his own vocal cavity.
All right, guys. Guys.
If doesn't use good English, well, yes. I'm a witness. He calling people away from Chicken Republic.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for your
Mr.
love and
Bones.
support.
Mr.
Who
Bones.
is your winner?
Ebuka Hero. Ebuka
Ebuka
Hero.
is the winner of this challenge. Thank you so much and God bless you. Please don't forget to share, like, and support each of every one of us.
Bow. Come on, bow.
For me.
Bow.